Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Honda, and it's not a Honda Civic or Accord, it's a Honda VFR 750R by Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels has recently done better job of, making motorcycle diecast than they used to do in past. These ones are much more but nicely detailed, and they do look good for the size they are made. So it's new for 25. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Honda VFR 750R out of its box, and the very first thing you will notice is this classic Honda paint job. So it's white with red and blue, which is very classic Honda paint. You could find it on most of the CBRs, and it looks pretty good. It also got a blue cowl. So again, here. So this is, Mike doesn't have a driving or passenger side, so I'm just gonna say this is the side with the brake normally on the right side. So yeah, it's the brake. So some details here. You can see Honda written here. See the disc brake on the front. You'll see the turn indicator there. You can see the swing arm. Doesn't have a brake on this side. Alloy wheels, which look good, black and white. Single seater, again the detail. You also got Honda badge. Let's move to the top. You can see the fuel filler on the tank there. Tail lamp is undetailed, but you can also see the turn indicator there. You got the handlebar with your brakes, clutch, and throttle. It's a clip-on. If you look closely, you can see it's kind of clip-on, not a straight one. Obviously, it's a sports bike. And also, if I don't know if you can look closely, you can see speedo and other clocks are there inside there. Obviously not detailed, but they are there. Now, coming to the front, it's a classic twin headlamp Honda. Looks good. You can see the forks here. The front upside down forks. Looks alright. Now coming to the side with the gear lever. So you've got some good details here. You've got the exhaust piping on this side. You got the swing arm. You got the chain. You got the disc brake. Most of the details are on this side. You also see some vents here for more aerodynamic, I think, channeling there. This one does have a stand. So this thing you see there, right one. So if you wanna just put it here, it won't fall off. So it does come with a stand. I think the paint peeled off from somewhere. So yeah, I think it's a decent looking casting. Obviously, making a motorcycle in such a small size, it's not easy, but it does look good. I do like the silver finish on the exhaust, and kudos to Hot Wheels. They have come a long way from the way they used to make motorcycles. And I think there are a few more which they did a good job like that. I can remember the Ducati Desert Axe. I can remember Honda CB 750R. So those also look good. This one, I think, is one of the best looking yet. Yeah, good job there. And if you like motorcycles, go ahead. Not the best detailed ones, but yeah, for the size, for the price, you can't ask for more. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good